today I have a service call for this HVAC unit. I was told once they call for cooling, the breaker will just strip off, so it's always blowing fuse. I'm gonna look at it and see why is it blowing fuse. So as I came in here, I already have my power. I would say this is on position, but I'm going to verify it with my meter. So here are a couple reasons. Okay, just want to show you where it's, this is 20 tons, and here are the unit informations. Okay, so this is 20 tons, Lennox rooftop unit. So just want to show you. Okay, so this is my blower section. Okay, so I'm going to look into it and see if my motor is what's causing the tripping off. And then so here is my compressor section. So here is my compressor section. I have about 4 compressors in here. 4 compressors. Wow. These are my contactors, and look how dead is this contactor. That's a great potential problem there. But anyway, I'm not drawing a conclusion yet. So I'm gonna pull out my voltmeter, and I'm gonna pull out my amps meter, and I'll begin to see exactly why is this unit tripping off or blowing fuses. So many things to really look at when this is happening. I'm gonna check my compressors, see what if that compressor is a problem. I'm gonna check my blower motor, my condenser fan motor. Okay, so I have 4 condenser fan motor in here. 4 condenser fan motor. Remember, this is 20 tons. So a couple things could be a reason why this unit is blowing fuses. So again, I will keep you updated, and I will keep you informed. Thank you. Okay, so I've been able to try a couple things, though I didn't have the third hand to be able to show you step by step on what I did, but I'm going to try to explain. We still have to test it together here. Okay, so again, problem here is the fuse is blowing. It's blowing fuse. So why is it blowing fuse? Can't really know what exactly could be. It could be compressor. Again, it could be the blower motor or the condenser fan motor. So what I did, I have to do an isolation. At first I tried to read my compressor. Major problem is compressor usually tripping off the high voltage. So I started, this one was already isolated because the owner told me that this compressor number 1 has since not been working, so it was never connected when I came in here. So these 3 compressor 1, 2, 3 were connected. So I want to start doing my elimination, so I have to set up my ohms meter. Okay, so here's my ohms meter here that I set up here. So I'm going to try to read, see. So I'm reading to ground. Okay, this to ground. You can see what my ohms say. So it's ground. So to the next pole, you can see it's reading. Okay, and then to the next pole, again, it's also reading. So this compressor by ohms is telling me it's going to ground, but I'm not just going to take that for full answer. But again, I will mark this compressor something I should take serious. So I'm going to the compressor number 2. Okay, compressor number 2. Okay, so my compressor here, it said OL, so not going to ground. And then to another line, it said OL, not going to ground. And then I go to the third line, again said OL, not going to ground. So again, just to let you know, I did that for all these 3 units, these 3 compressors. So these 2 compressors sounds a bit okay. So but this one, I want to figure out why, if that is the problem, if that's the only compressor. I assume this compressor is also gone. So, and then I also went to my contactor. Okay, so I have to pull all the wires from the contactors, all the wire from the contactor, and then I have to turn on my electrical. Okay, here's my electrical. Remember, when you are doing this unit, okay, please be careful. This is turned off now at this point in time. Okay, please be very, very careful. This is 600 volt, 575 volt appliance, but manufacturer says this is 575 volt. Manufacturer says this can go up to 632 volts and minimum 517 volts. Okay, so please be very, very extremely careful when you are working on any appliances. Please make sure you are knowledgeable. Okay, so back to this contactor. So I have to disconnect all my wire. You can see my wire here. They are all disconnected from the contactor and then from the compressor. Okay, this is disconnected from the contactor. I just connect this one back. So what I did was connect this one in and connect this to this compressor, and without calling for cooling, not calling for cooling. So what I did was to make an energize the contactor, only this contactor only. And as soon as I do that, the fuse again went off. So now I know this compressor is really a problem. So again, first with my ohms meter, secondly with electrically is blowing fuse. So I did that for the same. This is connected to this compressor, and I did that. This compressor comes on fine. Though I'm going to try and see one more, but it comes out fine. So that tells me this compressor should be okay. And I did that for this other compressor. Say this compressor comes on. So these 2 compressor looks working fine. This is gone and this is gone. So I'm gonna have to go back to the owner, explain my details of my findings, and then possibly put it in a report to let the owner know what is the option here. A couple things. If we are to do repair, this contactor here is for the blower. You can see it's really burnt, really burnt. Again, you want to make sure to see. It could be contactor having a problem. Okay, but please also check your contactor. Contactor could pull more amps and also make the unit tripping off as if it is the compressor. Okay, please, really a couple of things you really need to look at. So check your contactor, make sure your contactors are okay, and if they are not okay, there could be the problem. You can see all these fan capacitors, they look really bad. They are all already discharging oil, so it's a sign it is really bad. So a couple things to really do here to bring this unit to standard. Again, this is a rooftop air conditioning only. Okay, no heating in here, and if there could be any heating, it could be electrical, but right now it looks it's just air conditioned only. So if you have watched this video so far, please subscribe. All we do is heating, cooling, and ventilation. So please subscribe to this channel, HVAC Mechanical System. Thank you.